टेल यू दिस कि जब मैं एज अ मॉडल सर के साथ काम कर रही थी तो आई थिंक वो एक दिन काफी नहीं था. आई थिंक हम बहुत वी बोथ वर वेरी रिजर्व, तो हमने ज्यादा बात नहीं करी. लेकिन जब आपको एक्सपीरियंस हो जाता है और आपको समझ आ जाती है कि बहुत सारे और भी दिन काम करने हैं, तो इट्स बेटर टू ओपन अप. तो जब हम इस फिल्म पे साथ आए तो आई हैव टू थैंक फरहान सर फर्स्ट बिकॉज ही ब्रोक द आइस. मैं थोड़ी ऑकवर्ड हूँ, लेकिन सब बहुत ही अच्छे थे. एंड आई डोंट नो इफ अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल नो दिस, बट ही डज हैव अ ग्रेट सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर. I also want to say this that we know him as an actor, we know him as a director. You probably also know that he has a great sense of humor. लेकिन what I realized is, like my parents have always taught me कि अगर आप एक इंसान के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं तो आप देखें कि वो अपने आसपास लोगों को कैसे ट्रीट करते हैं, एंड आई थिंक ही ट्रीट्स एवरीवन विद इक्वल रिस्पेक्ट, चाहे वो जो भी हो. And that's a quality that I have not seen in a lot of people, is why I cherish him more as a human being. Of course, I love him as an actor and a director, but I think I really like him as a person, and he's very inspiring, very disciplined, and I think अब तो सबको पता चल गया और कि अगर मैं कुछ बोलूंगी तो I genuinely mean it. I genuinely mean this, that the experience has been incredible, and I really hope कि मुझे ऐसी और opportunities मिले उनके साथ काम करने की.
Yeah, the first thing I noticed about Rashi कि वो हमेशा सच बोलती है, and I appreciate that about her very much.
स्पर्श मेरा
नहीं, मुझे कुछ बोलने नहीं दिया, वो मजाक था यार. No, very honestly, I have always liked to work with people who are serious about what they do, are sincere about their work, are committed to their work. That comes first, and that is the first thing that I noticed in Rashi when we started working together, that she was very committed to making sure that this role could be lifted from paper and be made into a flesh and blood person in a way that is very like commendable and very lovable in the film. That was important. And उसके बाद मतलब हमने काफी वक्त बिताया एक साथ. जब शॉर्ट सेटअप हो रहा था ऐसी, तो यहाँ की बातें बहुत हुई, and it was just wonderful to get to know you. I wish you all the best with everything. I know that she has a long way to go. This is her career just getting started. आपने जो भी देखा है, that's just a teaser. There's a lot more to come.
Thank you.